Good morning. Today we will learn about exponent. Exponent, if a number is multiplying again and again by itself, then we can write it as 5 repeating here. So write 5, the number which is repeating here, the number write first, then count them how many times it repeating, then give the write in this form, and this form is known as the exponential form. Exponential form where 5 become base and 4 become exponent. 4 को हम एक्सपोनेंट कहते हैं, 5 को बेस कहते हैं, एंड वी कैन रीड एज 5 to the power 4. Don't read as 5 की पावर 4, ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना आपको, और 5 raised to the power 4. If we want to find the value, some examples based on exponential number. Example first, evaluate 3/4 to the power 2. So solution, 3/4 to the power 2 means 3/4 multiplying 2 times. If power is 3, then 3 times, power is 4, then 4 times. So is equal to 9/4. Now the second example, express example 2, express 81/256 in exponential form. Exponential form. So what you do, if any common factor is there, you can make the prime factor of both the number. दोनों नंबर के प्राइम फैक्टर करेंगे. फर्स्टली ट्राई टू डिवाइड इट बाय 2, but 2 is not divide this number, so now try to divide it by 3. We can divide the number by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number divisible by 3. So here 8 plus 1 9 is divisible by 3, so we can divide it by 3. So 3 2 the 6, 2 carry, 3 7 the 21. Now again divided by 3, 9. Now divided by 3, then 1. In this side you can divide it by 2 to 128. Again divided by 2, 64. Again divided by 2, 32. Again divided by 2, 16. Again divided by 2, 8. Then again divided by 4. Again divided by 2, get 2. And then again divided by 2, get 1. जब तक 1 नहीं आता तब तक इनको हम डिवाइड करेंगे. और नाउ यू कैन राइट हियर 3 मल्टीप्लाइंग 4 टाइम, सो वी कैन राइट 81/256 is equal to 3 multiplying 4 time. So you write here 3 multiply 3 into 3 upon 2 multiply here 8 time. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 8. So this will be the exponential form. If any negative number is there, so in that case we can factorize the number, then we can express in the exponential form as the same way. और माइनस को हम साथ लगा देंगे. Known is to include the minus sign. Next example, write the reciprocal. एग्जाम्पल थर्ड, रेसिप्रोकल find the reciprocal of 2/5 to the power 6। तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, हमें लिखना है रेसिप्रोकल। इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ एनी एक्सपोनेंशियल नंबर, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2/5 टू द पावर 6 इज इक्वल टू, इन दोनों नंबर को चेंज कर दिए विदाउट एनी चेंज इन द पावर। पावर में कुछ भी चेंज आपको नहीं करना है, आप इस नंबर को सिर्फ चेंज कर देंगे। इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड। सो दीज आर सम मेथड टू इवेलुएट द वैल्यू, बेसिक वैल्यूज। नाउ सम लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट। लॉज नंबर 1, if there are two exponential number and we want to multiply them having same base, we can multiply them by adding their power। उनकी पावर को हम प्लस कर देंगे। either the any type number will be there। if we want to divide them, we can divide them by subtracting their power। अगर डिवाइड करना है तो पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। थर्ड रूल, इफ वी हैव पावर ऑफ पावर a to the power m होल पावर n, इसको पावर ऑफ पावर कहते हैं। सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई पावर टू पावर, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। फोर्थ, if the 0 is the exponential number, then its value always be 1। or if we want to make the positive exponent of any negative exponent, so for that you can converse the number, you find the reciprocal of the number to make it positive। इन दोनों नंबर को हम चेंज कर देंगे, so then the exponent become positive। now some questions। first example, simplify, these are the rules। simplify example number 4, simplify 3/4 to the power 7 multiply 3/4 to the power 5। so weak solution, 3/4 to the power 7 multiply 3/4 to the power 5, their base are same, base same है, so we can multiply them by adding their power। आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, ये base are same, then you can add the power। आप सिर्फ पावर को ऐड कर देंगे, become 12। ये आपका आंसर होगा। now the second example, -2/5 to the power 11 multiply -2/5 to the power 4। so we can multiply them by adding their power without any change in the base। base सेम है तो पावर को प्लस कर देंगे। so get -2/5 to the power 15। example next, example 6। example 6, express 4 to the power -3 as a rational number। इसको रेशनल नंबर में चेंज करना है। so solution 4 to the -3, to make it positive exponent we can change it into demeter and now we can solve it। get 1/4 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे and get 1/64। so